So I just want to talk about this issue that seems to be growing in the producer community, producer world. I made a video about it before, but it seems like it's getting a bit more rampant, and that's scamming. Now the scammers, I don't know what they're doing, if they're using ChatGPT, but they seem to be getting a lot more intelligent. Now I was just watching a video from DJ Pain 1, which is giving me the idea to do this video and try and spread more awareness. Because if you're a new producer and you're just coming up and you're not making no money and you get hit with these emails, it's easy for you to fall into that trap and get scammed. And I just want to touch on the level of scamming and what to watch out for. So we all know scamming is something that people choose to do because that's their way of making money. With these scams, before you'd get a scam, or you get an email saying, "Hey man, I like that beat that you made on YouTube. I'm working with this artist. Send some beats, blah, blah." It's kind of obvious that it is fake. It's a scam. You can check the email. The email's dodgy. Now what they're doing is they're sending you. I got one myself. I think I deleted it. If I can find it, I'll put it on this video. But I'll probably just take a screenshot of what DJ Pain 1 was talking about that he got. But what they do now is they send you an email, and then they'll say that there's a media kit with the email that you need to open and download the content so you can see. The email that I got said once I open the link and download the link, it will have all the information for me to read through and see what the offer is. Now, to a new producer, like you're not making no money and you get email like that saying, "Oh, yeah, this big music company wants to work with you because they heard your music," you're going to jump on that. You're going to open it. But imagine you open it and then all your stuff's gone, all your music, your hard drive's corrupted, you got a virus. So you have to be careful. And with these emails, even though they're trying to be intelligent, there are some stuff that makes it not legit, like download the Mac version or download the Windows version. That doesn't make no sense. So if you feel that it's not right, then go with your gut instinct. It would be nice if there was a place for us all to go and maybe we could just reach out to each other. Or if you've got someone that you can reach out to who's doing the same things as you and run it by them, then do that. But it would be nice to have a place where we could just all go share ideas, share our experiences, share our successes and failures so we can all learn. And I don't know if that's been done somewhere already and I just don't know about it. If it is happening already, then drop a link below so I can go and check that out. Or if you've got any ideas what I can do as a suggestion, like Discord or something like that, where we can just have like a community when things like this happens, we can just go there, like a Facebook group or something like that. But if you've got any ideas or suggestions, drop a comment below and yeah, let's make that happen. Or we could just keep it here on my YouTube channel and posting on the video and just look out for each other because it's love. We're all trying to make it. We're trying to grow and do this for a living if that's your goal. But music is what we want to do on a daily basis. So beware of these scams. They're getting intelligent. You're using ChatGPT. They're trying to word things down in a way where it comes across as genuine. If you are unsure, start off with the email address. Normally that's one of the best places to check because they normally have like a weird couple of letters at the end of the email address. So yeah, let me know if you've had any emails like this and if you've almost been scammed. But be careful, my friends. See you in the next video.